Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to the Tarot Tales 369. Today's reading is for my Aries friends out there. So let's check out what are the messages for the Aries people today. Spirits, guides, and angels, please show me what are the cards, what are the energies, the messages you want to convey to the Aries today. Okay, guys, we have got the cards. Okay. Meanwhile, if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon for further videos. And if you want personal reading, you can always contact me for further inquiries. So let's check out what's going on here, Aries. So with this Seven of Swords, I think something is hidden here. See, something is not visible to your eyes. Someone being dishonest, maybe at your workplace or in general. Take it as it resonates. If this is regarding your work, so maybe someone is challenging your position, some issues going on there. Maybe they are avoiding confrontation or not being completely honest. Or it could be you behaving like that with others or even with yourself. Hmm. Uh, there could be a situation where you're trying to get away with something, or else someone is doing that to you. You are stuck in some situation. Be mindful, Aries. Play with your mind. Use your intellect here. Use your instinct to discover the truth. If it is happening to you, then play along with them. Who is playing you here? Uh, you know, See, Aries, you usually prefer directness. So this may sound a little frustrating for you because to keep your calm and play mind games. This is not your forte because Aries, prefer directness. They are the fire element. It surely indicates a need to rethink a plan or be aware of dishonesty around you. Don't get caught in this deception. You know, and the deceptive energies around you. Uh, do something about it. Better to keep your words to yourself. Don't speak anything and everything, and don't share with everyone. That's what I got from this. And now with the screen here, see how correctly sequenced cards we have got, Aries. You are being called to assess all aspects of the situation to get to the truth of this. Queen is here to tell you just cut through confusion and see things clearly. To use your logic over emotions right now. You might have overcome so many hurdles before this. You have that upper hand. You have that experience. So use it here. Imply that. Be determined. Stand, strong. Stand your ground. Or if you have someone like that who carries this energy around you, it could be that too. You might have a well wisher who has a good advice for you. So ask them for their help. Unlike see your basic nature, you have to slow down here and rethink before acting. Don't be impulsive here. Just but clear and direct communication will be better here. So just don't rush things here, Aries. Because see in the next card, you're in a learning phase, especially mentally or communicatively, and you have learned that art of strategizing. There may be a need to stay alert, some spying going on maybe around you, but you are a strategist. So you would be planning the most effective action to take because Aries are action oriented. But this page is here to suggest, hey, stop, watch, and learn before taking that step. Stay alert, resist your impulsive nature. This also shows you have a good influence around you because we have two pages here. So you must be having some good well wishers alongside you. Consult them, use them to advocate on your behalf when needed. Some opportunities are coming your way, and with this sword in your hand, you're clever enough to turn them in your favor. That's a good sign. You have got your Aries. and stop with these 3 a.m. thoughts, Aries. Don't overthink the situation. Come out of this state of mental fatigue. See, mental stress and high level of anxiety are engulfing your good energy. This is a time to face those fears and keep walking forward, rather than being paralyzed by negativity. It looks like what's been avoided here with this Seven of Swords is now weighing heavily upon you again. Just leave the baggage, walk past them now, because this is affecting your mental, emotional health now, and you need to care for that because your peace of mind is at risk here. Your sleep is being sacrificed. So don't panic, because look at the good chances coming up around you. Grab them, grab the opportunity. A positive outcome or a breakthrough is either happening or is on the horizon. You have learned the hard way, but now keep walking, because progress is coming for you with that pentacle. Mm, it is showing a new adventure, some auspicious beginnings as well. This is a time to nurture your skills and abilities, Aries. There will be good news in terms of finances. You're walking into a period of harmony after chaos. You know, this also represents a happy home life. It's a earth card. So, it was long awaited goal. Maybe you're achieving that. Uh, you're being rewarded with that pentacle for pushing through after all that mental stress.